You're rushing to a weekend market, the kind where everything's cash only. You reach for your wallet, and nothing. Empty. Zilch. Nada. You're standing there, the smell of freshly baked bread taunting you, the vibrant colors of local crafts mocking your empty pockets. Panic sets in. We've all been there, right? That moment of sheer, unadulterated financial helplessness. Now, imagine if you could just, poof, conjure cash from thin air, or at least from a nearby ATM, without needing that physical card. Sounds like magic, doesn't it? Well, in today's digital age, where our phones are practically extensions of ourselves, that kind of magic is closer than you think. But the question is, does Westpac, one of Australia's big banking players, offer this kind of digital wizardry? We're diving deep into the world of cardless cash today. Forget the long queues at the bank, forget the frantic search for your misplaced wallet. We're talking about accessing your hard-earned dollars with just a few taps on your smartphone. The convenience, the sheer peace of mind, it's something we all crave. But is it a reality with Westpac? Let's break it down. Westpac, like many major banks, has been adapting to the ever-evolving landscape of digital banking. They understand that in a world where we're constantly on the go, convenience is king. So, the burning question, does Westpac offer a cardless cash option? The answer is yes, with a little nuance. Westpac offers a feature called Get Cash within its mobile banking app. This allows customers to generate a unique cash code on their smartphone. You can then use this code at any Westpac, St. George, Bank SA, or Bank of Melbourne ATM to withdraw cash, without needing your physical debit or credit card. So, how does it work? It's pretty straightforward. You log into your Westpac app, navigate to the Get Cash option, and select the amount you want to withdraw. The app will then generate a secure code. You then head to a compatible ATM, enter the code, and voila! Cash dispensed. It's that simple. Why is this a game changer? Well, think about it. Security. No more worrying about card skimming at ATMs. If you lose your wallet, you're not completely stranded. You can still access cash. And, of course, the sheer convenience factor. It's perfect for those times you forget your wallet or need to send someone money quickly. But, like with any digital feature, there are a few things to keep in mind. Security is paramount. Always ensure your phone is protected with a strong passcode or biometric authentication. And be mindful of where you generate your cash codes. Public Wi-Fi isn't always the safest option. And while Westpac's Get Cash feature is convenient, it's worth noting that withdrawal limits and availability might vary. Always check with Westpac for the most up-to-date information. In essence, Westpac has embraced the cardless cash revolution, providing a secure and convenient way to access your funds. It's a testament to how banking is evolving, adapting to our increasingly digital lifestyles. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.